remarkable, remarkable, remarkable.
This word describes something that is impressive or surprising, often because it's unusual or stands out from others. Here is a sample sentence. The fireworks display was truly remarkable, with its intricate patterns and vibrant colors lighting up the night sky. In this sentence, remarkable means impressive or extraordinary, and it's used to describe something that is noteworthy or deserving of attention.
Remedy, remedy, remedy.
It's something that helps fix or solve a problem or issue. Here is a sample sentence. The doctor prescribed a strong antibiotic as a remedy to cure my infected wound. In this example, remedy refers to a treatment or solution that will help to fix a problem, in this case, an infection.
Remind, remind, remind.
This action means to bring something or someone back into memory, so you think about it again. Here is a sample sentence. The post-it note on my desk reminded me to pick up milk on the way home from work.
Reminiscence, reminiscence, reminiscence.
It's when you think back to happy or important memories from the past, often with a feeling of nostalgia. Here is a sample sentence. As she flipped through old family photo albums, she was overcome with a wave of reminiscence about her childhood summers spent at the lake. In this sentence, reminiscence refers to a nostalgic or wistful feeling that arises from thinking back on happy memories.
Remit, remit, remit.
This means to send or give back something that was taken, often as payment or compensation for something owed. Here is a sample sentence. The bank will remit the payment to your account on Friday. In this example, remit means to send or pay money.
Remittance, remittance, remittance.
It's money that someone sends to another person, often from one place to another. Here is a sample sentence. The company's accountant was responsible for processing and sending out monthly remittances to employees who had direct deposit set up. In this example, remittance refers to the payment or transfer of money from one party, the company, to another, the employee.
Remnant, remnant, remnant.
This word refers to something that remains after most of it has been removed or destroyed. It's what's left behind, often in small amounts. Here is a sample sentence. The old, worn-out photograph was all that remained as a remnant of her grandmother's happy memories from their summer vacation. In this example, remnant refers to something, in this case a photograph, that remains after most or all of something else has been lost or destroyed.
Remove, remove, remove.
To take something away from where it is so it's no longer there. Here's a sample sentence. The company will remove all hazardous materials from the old factory before demolishing it. This sentence demonstrates the verb remove in action, showing how something, in this case hazardous materials, is being taken away or eliminated.
Renaissance, renaissance, renaissance.
A time when people started to think, create, and explore new ideas again, after a period of being stuck in old ways. It's like a fresh start for culture, art, science, and more. Here is a sample sentence. The 14th to 17th centuries saw a cultural and artistic renaissance in Europe, marked by a resurgence of interest in classical Greek and Roman culture. In this sentence, Renaissance refers to the historical period of significant cultural, intellectual, and artistic transformation that took place in Europe from the 14th to the 17th century.
Render, render, render.
To make something visible or understandable by showing or explaining it clearly, often in a detailed way. Here is a sample sentence. The architect was able to render the building's design in exquisite detail, making it easy for clients to visualize their future home. In this example, render means to create or produce a visual representation. In this case, a detailed drawing of something.
Renew, renew, renew.
To make something new again or to give it life after it has stopped working or been used up. Here is a sample sentence. The company decided to renew its contract with the software provider for another 3 years. In this example, renew means to extend or continue something that was previously in place. In this case, the contract.
renewable, renewable, renewable,
This means something that can be used again and again without running out or needing to be replaced. It's like having a never-ending supply of something. Here is a sample sentence. The city's goal was to increase its energy production by investing in renewable sources such as solar and wind power.
renewal, renewal, renewal,
It's when something that was old or worn out becomes new again, refreshed, and ready to be used once more. Here's a sample sentence. The company's new management team implemented a comprehensive renewal program to update its outdated technology and improve customer satisfaction. In this example, renewal refers to the process of updating or revitalizing something, in this case, the company's technology, to make it more modern and effective.
rent, rent, rent,
It's money paid to use something that doesn't belong to you, like a house or a room. Here's a sample sentence. The family had to pay $1,500 per month in rent for their 2-bedroom apartment.
rental, rental, rental,
It's when you pay to use something that belongs to someone else for a short time. Here is a sample sentence. The family rented a cozy beach house for their summer vacation.
repeal, repeal, repeal,
To cancel or undo something that was previously made or done, making it no longer valid or effective. Here is a sample sentence. The new law was passed with the intention of repealing the old tax code, which had been in place for over 20 years. In this example, repeal means to officially cancel or abolish something, in this case, the old tax code.
repel, repel, repel,
This action means to make something or someone go away, often because they are unwanted or unpleasant. Here is a sample sentence. The strong-smelling insect repellent helped to keep mosquitoes at bay. In this example, the verb repel means to drive or keep something, in this case, insects, away.
repent, repent, repent,
To feel sorry for something you've done wrong, and to promise to change or do better next time. Here is a sample sentence. After years of ignoring her conscience, she finally repented and made amends with her estranged sister. In this example, repented means to feel regret or remorse for one's past actions and make an effort to change or make things right.
repetition, repetition, repetition,
It's when something happens or is done over and over again, often at regular intervals. Here's a sample sentence. The teacher's habit of repeating the same instructions to the entire class every day was starting to become annoying. This sentence illustrates how repetition can refer to the act of saying or doing something over and over again, often in a way that becomes monotonous or tiresome.
replace, replace, replace,
To take something out and put another one in its place, so that the new thing is used instead of the old one. Here is a sample sentence. The old light bulb needs to be replaced with a new one. This sentence demonstrates the verb replace in action, showing that it means to take something out and put another thing in its place.